Creating a dictionary from a CSV file. I am trying to create a dictionary from a CSV file. The first column of the CSV file contains unique keys and the second column contains values. Each row of the CSV file represents a unique key, value pair within the dictionary. I tried to use the csv.dictreader and csv.dictwriter classes, but I could only figure out how to generate a new dictionary for each row. I want one dictionary. Here is the code I am trying to use. When I run the above code, I get a value error column too many values to unpack, expected 2. How do I create one dictionary from a CSV file? Thanks.
I believe the syntax you are looking for is as follows. Alternately, for Python is lower than or equal to 2.7.1, you want open the file by calling open and then using csv.dictreader. You may iterate over the rows of the CSV file dictreader object by iterating over input_file. Or to access first line only. Update in Python 3+ versions, this code will change a little.
This isn't elegant but a one-line solution using pandas. If you want to specify dtype for your index, it can't be specified in read_CSV if you use the index_call argument because of a bug.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.